In today's video, we're going to look into how to use truck scales. Truck scales are designed to weigh large vehicles like tractor trailers and dump trucks. These scales are typically located at places like truck stops, recycling centers, and rock quarries. From a driver's perspective, when approaching a truck scale, it's important to follow the proper protocol to ensure an accurate and efficient weighing process. First, slow down as you approach the truck scale and follow any posted speed limits or traffic signals. Look for the designated lane for trucks to use and follow the signs to the scales. Once you've arrived at the scales, you may see a green light. Once the scale is empty, you'll be directed to drive your vehicle onto the scales. Take your time driving onto the truck scale weighbridge. These scales are typically located slightly above ground and have guide rails on each side of the weighing platform. Underneath the weighbridge is a series of load cells that measure the weight of your vehicle. It's important to drive your entire vehicle across the scales to ensure an accurate reading. If you have a trailer attached to your truck, make sure to drive the trailer onto the scales as well. Once you've driven your vehicle onto the truck scale and come to a complete stop, the weighbridge process will begin. The scale system will display the total weight of your vehicle. You will likely be assigned an ID number as well. After a few seconds, you will be directed to pull off the scale. Depending on the task you're doing that day, you may be asked to drive to a designated area and either pick up something or deliver something. Then you will likely drive back over the truck scale once again. At this point, your ID number will be entered and your gross vehicle weight, your tare weight, and your net weight will be printed out. You can then carefully drive your vehicle off the scale and be on your way. Using truck scales can seem like an inconvenience at times, but these devices serve a number of important purposes. By weighing commercial vehicles, truck scales help to ensure that they are operating safely and efficiently on the road. These scales also accurately measure the weight of the truck and whatever continents it's hauling. By following the proper protocol and cooperating with scale personnel, you can help to make the weighing process as efficient as possible for everyone. I hope you enjoyed our video on how to use truck scales. Thanks for watching.